Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jinzy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you want to go ahead and like and follow me, go ahead and subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Every thumbs up equals $1 for me to save, and before this year ends, we will see how much money we're gonna save with each thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am so excited because today's Mini Mondays. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is super duper early in the morning. As you can see, I have the light on from the room. I'm trying to do as much natural lighting, but it's still kind of gloomy, you guys. Oh my goodness, yesterday was Sunday. So 7 days out of 7 days were gloomy. That's just bananas. But anyways, today we have $35 to save, and I believe there's 2 fives, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 2 fives or 3 fives. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I hope you guys had a great weekend. I finally took off on Monday. I mean, not Monday. Today's Monday. Oh my goodness. I finally took off Sunday off. I did not record Sunday, so I was excited about that. If you're new here, I'm trying to upload 7 times or 6 times a week. So yeah, so my watch hour can go up. That's my goal. So if you're new here, after 12 months, you guys, your watch hour will drop. If you're not consistent after 12 months, your hours will drop. And I already reached my 12 months, and out of those 12 months, I took a 4-month break because I was extremely overwhelmed. And so every day your hours can drop, or or they can go up. So I've noticed that if you make video every day, your hours will not really drop. And so that's my goal, to every day post a video. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited for Mini Mondays. We still have not completed any of them, so who knows when we will complete it, the first one. All right, let's see. I'm excited. By the way, guys, this is so much fun. Mini Mondays are so much fun. Freaky Wednesday are so excited, and Freebie Fridays are so excited. I think this is more fun to save. And yeah, okay, let me take a quick little thumbnail over here. Hold on. Okay, hold on. All right, thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and get started. My cute little dice. It is so huge. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So good luck, everyone. And number 6 it is. This is what happened when you have a big dice. It rolls over. It rolls everywhere. Oh, and it rolled on the floor. Redo. Redo, guys. I'm trying to... Oh my gosh, again. No, I'm so sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, a 5. So I'm trying to do this as early as I can because we're going out of town. We have a 4. We're going out of town, you guys. We're gonna go celebrate Alex's birthday. We have a 3. And yeah, he said he was gonna take us out of town to the aquarium for his 30th birthday, and we're like, okay, sure, we take it. So the kids and I are, well, the kids are awake. Not awake, actually. They're asleep right now. But yeah, so I was like, whatever. I'm like, it's okay. We have number 1. And life is life. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Eric will miss a day of school, but that's okay. It's all right, Ooh, a 5. He doesn't really miss any school unless he's sick, and he rarely gets sick. So I think it should be fine. Yeah. So, you gotta enjoy life as much as you can. We got a 4. And yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. There's people that miss a week of school because they're going to another state for Christmas and stuff like that. So I'm like, our kid missing one day will not hurt him. Yeah, so number 4. Again, number 4. And by the way, my voice sounds a little bit because again, number 4, because our weather are changing pretty often. This whole week has been a 3. Ooh, this week has been what you call it? Again, a 3 has been very cold, hot, very hot. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I post there here and there, and so it's been like in the 70s. And number 5, and yesterday, Sunday, was the only day that was cold, and we're like, what in the world? We got a 1, and so that's when people get sick, right? And then last but not least, you guys, here we go, a 2. All right, awesome. Let's see how we did today. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. I don't think we're gonna complete anything, I'll be honest with you, but again, we never know. But I doubt it. I doubt it. All right, number 1 has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one will be $4. This one is just a little rolled and save type of thing. So $4. We have a long, oops, sorry. We have a long way to go on this one. So who knows how much this one will save us, right? But I'm excited for this. Okay. Awesome. Next, we have this one right here. Let's see. Okay. So this one had a leftover of $2. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no. So it's gonna have another $2 for next time. Oh, that's sad, but that's okay. We're almost there. I don't know if you can hear the birds. You hear the birds? Let me know if you hear the birds. Did you guys do anything fun? I know yesterday they played. Did you guys watch the game? If so, who were you going for? I don't watch any game, honestly, guys. So it didn't really matter who won for me. So yeah, I'm not into sports. I know. But I don't mind watching here and there, but I'm not a sports girl. All right, this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So this one's gonna get a 4 and a 4, and that means that it's gonna have $1 left for next time. Oof. All right, we got a long way, I'm telling you guys. So I think for Mini Mondays, you guys, I'm actually gonna get very low denomination saving challenges, because that's what I think it is for, right? Mini Mondays, like for small amounts, or I don't know, but we definitely have to do small amounts next time because this is taking forever to complete them. Okay, this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna do 3 on this one. I got 6, so 2, 4, 6. Okay. So there's that. Ugh. All right, awesome. All right, and this one will save me $46. So yes, I hope the camera is recording good. My tripod again yesterday broke off again. I tried to not repair, but I tried to fix as much as I could so I don't have to buy another one, and it did again. It broke. 1, 2, ooh, hold on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, and it has 2 left over. 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it's a blue. Okay, so this one is gonna be for 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Actually 4. Sorry, I can't count. 4. Yes. Okay, 3, 6, 9, and 12. Nice. We're like halfway there. Sort of. Not really. Almost. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. I bumped into you guys. Okay. And then we have one more left, which is the bat. And I don't know how much that one will have. Ah, come on. Okay. I am speaking very low because, you know, the kids and hubby are still sleeping. So this one got only $2. No, I won't be able to do anything. Okay, maybe next time. That's so sad. No. Alright. Oh, well, it is what it is. Alright, guys. Well, tomorrow is Tuesday. And guess what? Guess what we're doing Tuesday? Tomorrow is the 11th, which is Alex's birthday, my husband. So it's the 11th, and every month on the 11th we do our death update. So I'll be updating you guys tomorrow on how much money we have been able to put towards our debt and also our new balance. So I hope you guys are here for tomorrow. I'm excited to see the new amount. I will say though, I haven't been able to put as much money this month compared to last month, but that is okay. You know, every month is gonna be different. As long as you're still putting money towards your debt, it is okay. Oh my gosh, it's very thick, as you can see. All right, guys, happy Monday. I hope you have a lovely day and see you back tomorrow. Adios.